Hi, this is my Ground Control Pro by Voodoo Labs, and I've got a little bit of an issue. The power jack here has the back broken out of it, and so as a result, whenever I pull this out and tip it up to have a look, the pin is not centered. That's because the body of the connector is broken. So I'm going to fix it today. So as you can see, my bench is not the picture of cleanliness, but that's the way it is, so I've got to get the job done. So there's a couple of hex keys here or hex screws that need to be opened, and these screws in the back. The feet have nothing to do with it, and they're held by nuts on the inside, so don't ever try to loosen those or you'll have stuff falling around inside, so you won't be able to do that. Alright, let's get some tools and get ready to go. Okay, I got an Allen key, so I'm gonna loosen out these hex screws here on the face. Alright, very interesting. There's some silicone used here to hold this connector in place so that gravity doesn't allow it to drop out just due to stepping force and whatnot, which is interesting. I had to cut some of my shooting because I ran out of memory on my phone. But anyway, this heat sink would not slide underneath the main switchboard, this big red board. So I had to remove that, take all those Phillips head screws out, as well as the ones on the control board in order to change out the connector. And you'll see there now, there's the new one all soldered in place. And it works, so I'm a happy guy. I used a solder sucker and solder wick to be able to get rid of all the solder to be able to attach the new connector. Thanks to the guys at Voodoo Labs for hooking me up with a connector so that I could get it back to as close to factory as possible. Thanks.